How to test the performance of lime powder ball press. The performance of lime powder ball press affects the stable operation of the ball press. So how to detect the performance of lime powder ball press? There are many methods to test the technical performance of lime powder ball press. From the actual situation of ball press maintenance. 1. The method of identifying the technical status of the lime powder ball press without checking the equipment according to the intuitive feeling of the inspectors. This method is simple. In the maintenance of the ball press, it is easy to distinguish most of the defects of the ball press. So, this approach is still useful. But this method cannot be used to check the high accuracy of the ball press. Inspectors should have rich experience. 2. A great deal of inspection work is carried out with instruments and tools. Due to the different working principles and types of instruments and tools can be divided into general measuring tools, special measuring tools, ball press instruments and optical instruments, electronic instruments, etc.